In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Pandora not playing. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the service status of Pandora. For that, launch your preferred browser. Then type in Pandora service status and search for it. Now navigate to the website down detector. Here, you're going to find the service status of Pandora. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. So check your internet connection. You can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next up, you can force close the app and relaunch it. Likewise, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Pandora. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, clear cache for the app. For that, launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. Also ensure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Now from the list of apps, find Pandora and launch it. Click on Offload app, confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Then you can head back. You should check whether low data mode, data saver, battery saver or low power mode is restricting background activity or streaming performance. Temporarily disable these features, as these can sometimes resolve playback issues. Lastly, completely delete Pandora from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.